Hey friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to private your personal information on your Google account. And in this tutorial I'm basically going to show you how you can private all of those information so you can choose what others see or what the public see from your Google account. So once you're signed into your Google account, click your profile on the upper right hand side and click manage your Google account. Now on the left you want to simply click on personal info, and you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find a section that says choose what others see. Click and go to about me, and here you will find all the information that is basically filled out about you. And at the top you can see only you and anyone. So based on those two icons, this will basically tell you what the status or what visibility that particular set of information has. So for example, the name is public, but if you scroll down you can see that, for example, date of birth section, it is private. So let's say I don't want anyone to really see my gender. I can simply click on that and I can switch this to only me, and it's going to update. Then you simply go back and you will see that no, this information is now private. So that's it. You can go ahead and you can also fill in other informations about yourself, and you can go ahead and choose if you want to private them as well. So that's how to go ahead and private your personal information on your Google account.